Good morning, guys. It's 7 a.m. and we are going to the bus stop because we are going to Bugis to take a bus ride to Malaysia. Sorry, I just literally woke up, so I am not looking the best, but we're excited to take a bus to Malaysia. Let's go.
Okay, you can lean back, trust your done for.
Hey guys, so we're now in KL. I'm in the hotel right now. This is Momo's in Kuala Lumpur. For the price, I think this is very good already. Considering this is a room for two and I'm just alone. If you guys are two, then this would be perfect. This is a little bit too big for me alone, but that's fine. I was too tired to vlog earlier, so I'm so sorry about that. But I will make a video on my experience of traveling from Singapore to Malaysia by bus. I'll tell you guys all about the immigration process, the pickup process, the drop-off process, everything you need to know so you don't have to worry about that. For now, we are going to take a shower because the ride was so long. And then after, we are going to Central Market. Let's go. So now we're just waiting and we are going to KLCC to finally eat because I haven't eaten since breakfast, which is 7 a.m. So yeah, I want good food, please. What is it though? Oh, the Nutella one would be. Do you want the Nutella?
مش نكلم فيك مش نكلم فيك ولا نقول لك
Hi guys, so we're now at the Manara Tower. So, as you can see, I did have a mini picnic and a little photo op tutorial. So yeah, I'm still drinking my coffee. This is a Spanish latte. And I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit overpriced since this is a tourist spot. But I think it's pretty good. And I haven't really eaten anything. So I really need coffee. The roti bun is quite nice. I got the coffee one. And yeah, roti boy is definitely better. But we gotta make do, you know? Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel. My camera died a while ago, so I wasn't able to film when I was in the Petronas Tower. Or I think I was able to film only one clip, but I wasn't really able to vlog much. So yeah, we went to Petronas Tower, we took pictures, and then we went straight to Jalan Alor. Jalan Alor is a night market, which is full of food. And I was able to finally eat after the whole day of not eating. Well, I only ate this morning at 7 a.m. the duck rice and the Milo Dino, and then like I had the can of Milo on the way here in the bus, and then we went to Menara where I got the roti bun and the Spanish latte. So yeah, I wasn't really able to eat properly today, but I guess that's fine. I wasn't able to do much steps either. Yesterday I did 20k steps and today I barely did 5k, so I guess it makes up because yesterday I also ate quite a lot of gelato if you've seen it in my last vlog. I spent an unhealthy amount on gelato in Singapore. I'm gonna go sleep soon, but I wanted to share to you guys what I got from Johor today. So I hoarded a lot of this stuff because I saw that this was the only ones left and there was like probably 50 boxes on its side. But then this flavor was already like just 6 left, so I got the last 6. And it's this one. It's a peanut nyonya wafer. I hope I said that right. But it looks good. So I bought quite a few of that. And then I got some bakute soup. My friends in Singapore told me to try the bakute here because it's cheap. And if you don't know, bakute is like very, very good for you because it's herbal. Then I got some seaweed to munch on. I also remember my aunt buying this brand, so I'm pretty sure it's really good. And then I got some of this red bean flavored cake. So yeah, it's very, very cheap. I also got this for my boyfriend. This is some almond dark chocolate tiramisu. So I got this one, and I also got this bubble milk tea mochi because my boyfriend gave me some of this before, and I know that he really likes it, so I got him some. And then I just got some of these almond cookies that has no cholesterol, no preservative, and no artificial flavor added. It looks pretty good, and my mom loves almonds, so I got some of that. And then lastly, I got 3 packs of this Ming instant white coffee. Cause the cashier there was like judging my choice of coffee because I got like other brands, and then they're like, oh, this one not so nice, not so nice. I give you this one coffee, very, very delicious, the best one. So I was like, okay. Then I got 3 of those. It was also on promotion. If I got 3, there's like 5 ringgit off, I think. Forgot. So that's it for today. I'm gonna go wash up and go to bed because tomorrow we're going to Genting and we are getting picked up at 9 a.m. It's about 1 a.m. right now, so I don't know how that's gonna work or happen, but we'll see. Tomorrow we're also meeting my friends and I'm very excited about that. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!